Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. We got a little mini skid job today. Got to go move some dirt for a fella, do some backfill around the foundation of a building. But before we can get started, we got to get our way-safe hitch installed, get the trailer hooked up, and get everything loaded up. So watch along as we tackle this project today. Pulling my trailer, especially with the mini skid on it, I don't need any drop on my hitch, so we're gonna run it full height today. Tell you what, these way safe hitches are really quality built stuff. Alright, got her all on there. You all tell me when I'm backed up in place. You all should have cranked that up a little higher. Well, I'm back home from my first paying mini skid job. I think it was a good learning experience for me. I've worked a lot with the Derette V1000 mini skid, doing mulching and using the grapple and forks and different like brush cutter and different things, but I haven't used the bucket a lot. But I got to use it to do some dirt work today. The job that he wanted me to do was to backfill in around the driveway that he had poured and a foundation of a garage that he had built. So all I was supposed to do was just fill that in, get it somewhat level. But since it was a learning experience for me, I wanted to go the extra mile for him, and he allowed me to video it. So I backfilled all in around, and then I actually got out, and you saw me doing some raking. Other than picking up a few rocks and maybe some big dirt clods, it's ready for him to throw down some grass seeds. So he didn't ask me to do any of that, but that's what I wanted to do for him. I quoted him 2 hours, and that's what I stuck with. I was actually there probably 3 hours or a little bit more, but again, filming, having to move camera, it took a while, and it was a learning experience for me. Like I said, plus I did a lot more than what he had. 2 hours is what I stuck with, and I thought that was fair, and he thought it was really fair as well. But thanks again for stopping by and seeing what we're doing here on Haggett Hill. Hopefully we'll get some more jobs like this. I'm not really advertising. I don't want to be too busy. You know, I'm supposed to be retired, and I got enough stuff of my own to do. But thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, God bless to you and your family. By the way, the WaySafe hitch came in really handy today. Get my mini skid right on the trailer. Get my tongue weight set just right. These things are pretty handy. Again, I want to thank the folks over at WaySafe for sending me this here a while back. It is definitely a neat piece of equipment. And if any of you are out there towing, you ought to check them out. It's very important to get your tongue weight right so you don't have any towing problems. Wouldn't want anybody to be in a traffic crash. Thanks again to the folks at WaySafe.